Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily disable keyboard sound on your iPhone 16e. So first, what we need to do is open Settings, and now we need to scroll down until we see Sounds and Haptics. Now click it, and here go to Keyboard Feedback. Now click on it, and here what we need to do is tap on the switch to disable it. And that's how you disable keyboard sound. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.